Good morning, students. Hope you'll be fine at your respective places. Today, we are going to discuss the third family, that is the Liliaceae. How we can describe this family Liliaceae, which is also called as the lily family. This Liliaceae family is also called as what we call as the lily family. Now, when we describe this, what we call as the flower, this family, rather than the liliaceae family, what we will see if we that is we can simply write this flower description. We will find this flower either it is bractate, or it is abractate. It is without the brackets. सेकंड बात जो हम कहेंगे दैट दिस फ्लावर इट इज actinomorphic. That means it can be divided it into that it can be divided into two plants in any symmetry. Third, it is hermaphrodite, or we can say bisexual. It is incomplete. It is incomplete for that. Some of the world is missing here. Some of the world is missing here. What we will see in this case, instead of calyx and corolla, what we will see that they are missing. What we will see that there is the world that is called as a parent, whose individual members are called as the tepals. So we can say it is an incomplete flower. That means no calyx, no corolla are found there. But instead of those calyx and corolla, there is the one whorl that is called as a parent, whose individual members these are called as the tepals. It is hypogynous. That means ovary is superior. It is hypogynous. That means ovary here that is what we call as a superior, and it is trimerous. Okay, whatever we will see the member individuals of these whorls, they are in the multiples of 3. अगर हम parent देखेंगे, they will be found in the multiples of 3. Androecium, they will be found in the what we call as this in multiples of 3, as well as what we will see जो gynoecium, they are the tricarpillary. अब जो यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं parent की बात करेंगे, there are mainly 6 tepals. अगर हम बात करेंगे parent जो है they are 6 staples in number, and these 6 staples they are arranged in 2 rows, 3 in one row and 3 in second row. parent के बाद अगर हम बात करेंगे एंड्रोशियम की बात हम यहाँ पर एक बार फिर दोहराएंगे. देयर आर 6 stamens. दी 6 stamens की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, दे आर अगेन इन 2 rows, 3 in one, 3 in second, 3 in one row and 3 in second row, and they are epiphyllous. That means they are fused with these tepals. Gynoecium अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, it is tricarpillary. That means 3 are found. Tricarpillary syncarpus. And here you will see जो placentation यहाँ पे it is axial placentation, और जो ovary है, ovary is superior. This was this floral description. Now, how we write this in the form of floral formula? Family Liliaceae. Now, floral formula. Bractate, or it may be ebractate. Then it is actinomorphic. Then it is hermaphrodite, that it is bisexual. पैरेंथ इज देयर, दोज पैरेंथ की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, दे आर इन द टू वर्ल्ड्स 3 + 3, और दे मे बी 3 + 3, और दे मे बी फ्यूज्ड। अब यहाँ की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, एंड्रोशियम दे आर टोटल 6 एंड दे आर अगेन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 3 + 3। Of gynoecium, they are tricarpellary syncarpus, but that is superior ovary. This is the floral formula. Bractate or bractate, bracteate, bracts are present or they may be absent. It is actinomorphic, it is hermaphrodite, it is bisexual. Parenth is there. They may be in two worlds, 3 + 3. They may be either free or they may be fused. एंड एंड्रोशियम 3 + 3 एंड गाइनेशियम जो यहाँ पर हम बात कर लेंगे, दे आर टोटल 3। लेकिन यहाँ पर जो है, इट इज द एपीफाइलस कंडीशन, सो हम ये डालेंगे, इट इज द एपीफाइलस कंडीशन, दैट इज दे आर अटैच्ड विद दिस, दैट इज द एपीफाइलस कंडीशन। दिस इज द floral formula. Now we will try to draw the floral diagram and the things will become clear. Floral diagram. Floral diagram. These first, the tepals are their parent. Tepals, these are 3. These are first. Now second यहाँ से हम start कर लेंगे. This is the first row. Either they may be free or they may be fused. या वो फ्री भी हो सकते हैं या वो फ्यूज्ड भी हो सकते हैं. अब to show them that they are free or they are fused, जैसे ये बना, these are the free tepals. When they are fused, हम कैसे बनाएंगे? They are like this, they are fused. This is the tepals. Now these are androecium. They are total. They are 6 in number. androecium, they are also in 3. 1, 2, 3. That means they are arranged in that case. एक मिनट बेटा, आउटर वाले जो हैं they are attached with this one, and the inner one they are attached with this one. They are attached with the inner one. Now जो उनका अरेंजमेंट हम देखते हैं, जो आउटर वाले हैं एंड्रोशियम they are attached with the outer whorl of tepals, and जो inner 3 एंड्रोशियम हैं they are attached with this inner whorl of this tepals. Now we have got this ovary. It is trimerous. Now here we will see जो placentation है, placentation यहाँ पर simple है, it is axial. This is the placentation, this is the placentation, and we will find here two ovules. This is the diagram of this. If this is the mother axis, हाँ, अगर हम यहाँ पर ये ब्रैकेट भी डालेंगे, that is the bracket. Now this is the diagram of this. What we will see, जो हमारे पास जो tepals हैं, they are arranged the whorls of 2. Each में हम देखते हैं 3 whorls are there. Then we have got the androecium. They are also in the whorls of 2, 3 in the outer, 3 in the inner, and then we have got this ovary जो है, it is a trimerous, it is axial, or each from each placentation 2 ovules are found. Now economic importance. Now economic importance. Economic importance. फर्स्ट जो हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे इम्पोर्टेंस, दैट इज द ईडेबल फूड. जो हम देखेंगे, जो हम खाते हैं, ईडेबल फूड्स जो हम यहाँ से हासिल कर लेते हैं, दैट इज गार्लिक, दैट इज दिस ओनियन, एलियम सीपा. देन वी हैव गॉट ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट्स. ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट्स के पास हमारे पास है लोटस इज देयर. देन वी हैव गॉट लिली, which is this, on which this family is named. Then we have got this medicinal plants. Medicinal plants में हम देखते हैं, we have got the aloe vera. aloe vera का है, जो इसके leaves हैं, they are used to cure piles. This aloe vera, जो यहाँ के इसके जो leaves है, they are used to cure this, what we call as this pile. Then we have got one more, that is called as the colchicum. colchicum से हम एक मेडिसिन हासिल कर, that is called as the कोलिसाइन. The कोलिसाइन जो है, it is used, अगर हम इसको बताएंगे, it is used for making cells polyploids. ये एक है. Now we have got one more. हमारे पास what we call as this roots. हमारे पास है roots of the smilex. वहां से हमको एक what we call as this medicine निकलता है, that is used तो उसको हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं टू व्हाट वी कॉल यूज्ड एज या यूज्ड एज ब्लड प्यूरिफायर. The Smilex जो roots जो है they are used as the purifier. So this plant or this family, it has got some economic importance. It has got some edible foods, garlic, onion है, ornamental plants है, lotus lily है, medicinal plant aloe vera है, जो leaves इसके they are used to cure the piles, colicum उससे हम निकालते हैं एक that is called as the colicine for making the cells polyploids. Then roots हमारे Smilex के that is used as the what we call as the blood purifier. This was all about this morphology of the flowers. From tomorrow we will try to discuss या हम start करने वाले हैं that is the physiology, वो हम start कर लेंगे. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.